Hi, today for the Motorola Moto ThinkPhone, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and now tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail application, we should first log out from the Google account on our device, and to do that click Manage Accounts on this device. Tap to one from these two accounts and click to remove account. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove account again. And now in Google account setting we stay only with one Gmail app account. So let's go back to the application, and here we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.